Create a photorealistic image of the 2026 Zenith RX luxury SUV, displayed inside a modern, high-end car showroom. The car is glossy white, reflecting ambient showroom lighting, with a polished floor that mirrors the vehicle's body. Include a dynamic and realistic front view showcasing sleek LED headlights, a sophisticated chrome grille, aerodynamic hood lines, and a bold, elegant bumper design, emphasizing its modern luxury aesthetic. Add subtle reflections and lighting details to highlight the curvature and contours of the front body, with cinematic perspective and ultra-realistic texture. From the rear view, display the Zenith RX's stylish taillights, sporty diffuser, and dual exhaust, maintaining the white glossy finish. The polished showroom floor should mirror the back of the car, adding depth and realism. Ensure the lighting emphasizes the smooth rear lines and gives a premium luxury feel, with photorealistic shadows and reflections. For the left side view, capture the aerodynamic profile of the SUV, highlighting the flowing body lines, chrome accents along the windows and door handles, and the pristine white color. Show subtle reflections from the polished floor and ambient showroom lights, emphasizing the modern design and spacious SUV stance. Include realistic tire and alloy wheel details, ensuring a dynamic yet stationary perspective, perfect for showcasing the vehicle's side elegance. The right side view should mirror the left, emphasizing symmetry, smooth contours, and luxury details. Include reflections of showroom elements like soft lighting fixtures or glossy flooring to enhance realism. Capture depth with slight perspective angles, emphasizing the vehicle's proportions and premium design. For the interior, showcase the cabin from an inviting angle visible from the open doors or through panoramic glass windows. Highlight the modern dashboard, fully digital instrument cluster, luxury leather seats in black and white contrast, ambient LED lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and ultra-realistic textures on the steering wheel and control panels. Ensure the interior feels spacious, luxurious, and detailed, with soft light reflecting off polished surfaces, giving a photorealistic, immersive feel as if a real visitor is viewing the car inside a showroom. Include cinematic lighting throughout, soft shadows, high-resolution details, realistic reflections on all metallic and glossy surfaces, and a polished, modern showroom environment with subtle background elements like pillars, glass walls, or contemporary decor. Emphasize the Zenith RX's elegance, futuristic design, and luxury SUV presence, making it the centerpiece of the showroom display. Capture a combination of angles in one cohesive composition: front, back, left side, right side, and interior, ensuring the car remains the focus. The image should be high resolution, ultra-detailed, photorealistic, and cinematic.